Hi everyone, this is the third part of the correlation. So here we discuss the Spearman's rank correlation. So the Spearman's rank correlation. This method is appropriate for calculating correlation when the quantitative measure of certain qualities, observation like honesty, leadership ability, intelligence, etc. cannot be fixed but can be arranged in the rank order. So this method is also known as ranking method. So the Spearman's rank correlation is defined as rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1, where this rho represents the coefficient of rank correlation, capital N is the number of pairs, and d is a difference of a rank which we assigned the value of x and y series. Now taking an example, we have to calculate the correlation coefficient of the following data by Spearman's correlation, rank correlation. So we have given two series x and y. So corresponding the 75 we have 120. So we have total 8 data points of x and y. Now we have to calculate the rank coefficient of correlation. So first we assigned the rank of x series. Here the largest number is 95, so we assigned rank 1. The second largest is 88, so we assigned rank 2. The third largest is 81, so we assigned rank 3. And the similar manner, all the data point of x we assigned a particular rank. And the similar, we assigned a rank of y series. So the largest number is 150, so we assigned rank 1. And the second largest is 142, so we assigned rank 2, and the third largest is 140, that is we assigned rank 3, and the similar manner we assigned rank to the all data point of y. Now take the difference of these two ranks, that is d. So we get 5 minus 5 is 0. Similarly 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and so on. Now take the square of this rank difference, we get 0.40000110. On taking the summation, that is d square is 6. Now we have total n is equal to 8 data points, and the summation d square is 6. Now substitute the value in the formula of Spearman's rank correlation. We get plus 0.0929. It means the x and y is very highly correlation between x and y, or says x and y are highly correlated. So taking another example, 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 3 judges in the following table. Use of rank correlation coefficient to determine which of the judges has nearest approach to common taste in the beauty. The rank allotted by the judges are given in the table. So we write here the first judge rank allotted to the candidates are given, the second judge and the third judge. So we just take the square rank of difference, means the first judge and second judge, that is r1 minus r2 ka square, and the second and the third judge we take the square of r2 minus r3, r2 minus r3, and the difference of first and third judge, that is r1 minus r3 square. So after taking the summation we get 200. It means this is the square rank difference of first and second judge. This d square, that is 240, is the square rank difference of first and second and third judge, and this d square, that is 60, is the difference, the square rank difference of first and third. Now by the help of Spearman's correlation coefficient formula, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square n upon n square minus 1. So substituting the value of summation d, this is a difference, square rank difference, which is 200. So we get the correlation between first and second judge rank is 0.212. In the similar manner, we can find the rank correlation between second and third, which is 0.297 and minus 0.297, and the first and third judge we get 0.636. So here we conclude there are two positive correlation, the first judge and second judge, and first and third judge, but the first and second judge is correlated, low correlation between first and second judge, but the first and third judge has highly correlated. So we can say the correlation of the judge shows that there is a positive correlation between the judge first and third, has nearest approach of the common thinking of beauty, because it is highly correlated. Now, when the rank is repeated, in a certain case, it may be seen that two or more items of the series are assigned an equal rank. So the rank assigned to these items are the average of the rank. For example, we take a series of the following item. This is series 70, 90, 80, 75 and so on. So here search, the first largest number is 90, so we assigned the rank 1. The second largest is 82, so we assigned rank 2. Now the third largest number is 75, so 75 is repeated 4 times. 75 is repeated 4 times. In that case, the rank return corresponding to these 4 value will be the 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 4, that is 4.5. It means we assigned the rank 4.5 to 75, 4.5, 4.5 and 4.5. Now the next largest number is 65, which is repeated again 2 times. So it will be rank start 7. So the rank corresponding to 2 item 65 will be 7 plus 8 by 2, which is 7.5. So the rank of 65 is 7.5, 7.5. The next largest number is 50 here. So we assigned 50 as a rank 9, and the last number is 40. So we assigned rank 10, because up till rank 8 have been assigned. So after assigning the ranks to these items, the rank correlation when repeated rank is assigned, the formula is slightly changed. That is, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square plus 1 by 12 m1 cube minus m2 cube plus 1 by 12 m2 cube minus m2 and so on. Here this m1, m2, m3 are the number of time rank repeated. That is, the 75, the rank assigned to the 75, that is 4.5, is repeated 4 times. The second rank is 7.5, 7.5 is repeated 2 times. That's all. And 4.5 and 7.5 are repeated. So the m1 is 4, m2 is 2. Here is no need of m3. So we take the formula till m1, m2. Now taken another example to calculate the coefficient of correlation between x and y by a ranking method. Here this is the example is for repeated rank. Here we given the two series x and y. So first we assign the rank to x series. Here the 65 is the largest number, so we assign the rank 1. Second largest is 57, we assign rank 2. The third largest is 48, so we assign rank 3. The next largest number is 40, so we assign rank 4. And the next largest number is 33, so we assign rank 5. And the next number is 24, so we assigned rank 6. The next number is 16. Now the 16 is repeated 1, 2, 3 times. So the 16 is repeated 3 times. So the rank 3 times. So the rank assigned to the 16 is 7 plus 8 plus 9 by 3. Average of 7, 8, 9 rank, which is 8. So we assigned each item 16 is rank 8. The next number is 9. So we assigned the rank is 10 because the up till 9th rank is already assigned. In the similar manner, we assign the rank to Y series. Here the first rank is largest number is 24, so we assign the rank 1. 20 is the second largest, so we assign rank 2. 19 is the third largest, so we assign rank 3. And the next number is 13. Now the 13 is repeated 1, 2 times, repeated 2 times. So the rank corresponding to 13 is 5 plus 6 by 2, that is 5.5. So each 13 has rank 5.5. The next number is 9. So we assigned rank 7. The next largest number is 6. Again the 6 is repeated 2 times. Again 6 repeated 2 times. So the rank is 8 plus 9 by 2, that is 8.5. 8.5 to each item 6 is rank 8.5. And the next number is 4. So we assigned the rank 10. After assigning the rank, we take a difference of these two ranks, that is D, taken the square of the difference of the rank. So we get summation D square, which is 41. Here in this table we observe that the rank 8, which is assigned in the R1, is repeated 3 times. So we take the value of M1 is 3, and the rank 5.5, that is 5.5 in R2, is repeated 2 times. So we take M2, which is 2, and the rank 8.5, which is repeated 2 times. So we take M3 is 2. Now by the formula of Gall's rank correlation method, 1 minus summation D square 1 by 12 M1 cube minus M1, 1 by 12 M2 cube minus M2, 1 by 12 M3 cube minus M3, and upon n square minus 1. After substituting the value of M3, M2, M1 and D, we get the correlation coefficient, that is 0.733. So we get the positive correlation between them.